Why do you need to pull my credit? How dare you pull my credit? I hope this thing is working. Oh, look, the battery is about to die. So let's make the video short and sweet. My name is Isaac.Duenas. I'm a mortgage loan officer. I live in Ohio. I work outside of Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm licensed in several states of the United States. Today, ladies and gentlemen, before my battery dies, we're going to talk about why do you need to pull my credit? How dare you touch my credit? I can tell you the scores right now. My score is like 700. It's amazing, huh? Look at my credit score. It's absolutely incredible. Don't you love it? I told you I have the best score. Sure you do. That's why 140 is the limit. Anyway, the point is, um, why do we pull credit? While it's true that the scores are very important in your credit score, in your credit report, they're not the only thing. Your credit will show, number one, public records. Have you ever filed for bankruptcy? Chapter 7, Chapter 13. Was it discharged? Was it dismissed? What happened to it? Have you filed more than one bankruptcy? Do you have collections? Are they medical? Are they credit cards? Charge-offs? What do you have? What happened in the past 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago? Okay, probably 15 years ago is a little bit far away because you're like Isaac, the credit only holds up to 7 years of history, whatever. The point is, public records are significantly important. What about your mortgage? A phone was ringing. What about a mortgage? Are you in forbearance? How many payments have you made in forbearance or out of forbearance? Have you made 3 payments, 2 payments, 1 payment, no payments? What's the status of your mortgage? Do you have an FHA loan? Is it a conventional loan? When do you buy the home? Has the mortgage been sold or transferred to another lender? What's your payment history? And by the way, I could talk forever about payment history. What I mean with that is a lot of people really believe that it's a factor. The payment history is like, yeah, I've been making all my mortgage payments on time. I don't have a job. However, I have lots of equity and I've been making all my mortgage payments on time. Dude, that's not even it's just a given. You should be making your mortgage payments on time, otherwise nobody's gonna even consider you for anything. But it's not one of the main factors that is gonna help you qualify for a good rate, for a good payment, to cash out, or whatever you're trying to accomplish. So anyway, what we're talking about? Hold on. That's right. We gotta pull your credit so we can check all the payment histories of all your credit cards. We gotta make sure that this is even worth it for you. Look, if you just bought the home and you're like a 3.5% interest rate, and you saw on TV that the rates are 2.5, it's like, oh my gosh, I gotta refinance. Well, if you're saving no money, who cares what the rate is? Literally, if you're saving no money, most important than the rate, if you cannot save money on your monthly payments, you cannot take cash out, you cannot lower your terms, and there's absolutely no benefit. What do I care what the rate is? And you shouldn't care either, because it's useless, it's pointless. Don't do it. Why would you pay closing costs, title costs? In some states, that's ridiculously high. If there's gonna be any benefit for you, none, zero, nothing, nada. Does that make sense? So when we pull the credit report, we review all that kind of stuff. Also, some lenders will look at CA, you saw right here that you went to 2 dealerships and they pull your credit. You requested 3 credit cards. Well, clearly, sir, you might have a different problem. It seems that you like to buy things. The credit report says a lot about a person. It really tells you what's the status of your finances. And I'm sorry, David Ramsey, I know that you believe in this world where everybody can track their payments through bank statements and crap like that, but the people that set up those reports are actually freaking geniuses. Those numbers don't lie. It really tells you the truth about the life and the financial situation of a person. And if you don't like those numbers, oh, that's a different problem, my friend. But you know what? Starting accepting and taking responsibility for your financial situation is a heck of a lot better than blaming people for things that you've done yourself. That's why a good, true professional loan officer in the mortgage industry will pull your credit immediately and will not wait. Remember, credit is a tool, not a trophy. Don't look at it as such. See ya, bye.